What's going on, everybody? It's Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com, and you're watching episode 5. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of Can It Be Chopped? This is a series where we take the samples that you request and we try to chop them in less than 10 minutes. Now, by an overwhelming vote, my friend Game over at BusyWorks Beats TV offered the suggestion, the All That theme. You can see it right here, actually. I liked it. I was like, that's tight. Now, for those of you that don't know what the All That theme is, I don't know what happened to your childhood and who deprived you, but it's really sad, and I hope that you get to recover that happiness someday. Anyways, the All That theme song was for a show that used to be on this Nickelodeon sort of weekend series called Snick at Night. And one of the shows that came on was like a sketch comedy show called All That. Theme song, if you hear it, you probably recognize it if you don't know the show. And with that said, since you guys overwhelmingly got 34 upvotes for that one, I think we're gonna go ahead and chop that one. So let's go look it up. Boom, the first thing that pops up. I wonder if there's an instrumental for this. Is there really an instrumental? Yeah, I think somebody tried to strip the left side of it and tried to make it into an instrumental. Let's see if this one maybe is. I think that'd be nicer to chop. Y'all are so trash for that. You try to make your own instrumental. Come on, fam. Yeah, that's trash. Let's not do that. Let's go ahead and look for the actual song. I thought maybe I can get a little break. Nah. No breaks this time. No breaks on this side. So we're gonna take this All That theme. Let's listen to it and then we'll get to chopping.
Fresh out the box. Stop.
It's only a minute to work with.
Ready yet?
Oh well.
Get set. It's All That.
Just an introduction, just to blow your mind.
We all in that. We all in that. We coming right back.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take that, save it, and get to chopping. I'll see you back here in a second. All right, so now as you can see, we got the sample loaded up. We're getting ready to load this 10 minutes in. I miss my wife. She's usually over there with the clock and all that, giving me heads up. But now I got my clock right here, and I'm gonna have to set that timer to 10 minutes. Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Is it all that? Well, let's go ahead and make sure it's all that. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, starting.
All the time. All that. Sit still, 'cause we coming right back. This is all that. This is all that. This is all that. This is all
Kind of think that's all I want from that sample, to be honest with you. Let's load up. FL Slicer, where you at, Bo? There you go, Bo. Play to the end. Let's take that and chop it up. Slow that down. Not that slow. It's a challenging one. Actually, let me take this and cut that kick part out of it. I want to pitch this up. Slow it down a little bit more. Yep. Run that son of a gun. What tempo is that? Nope. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's guess. Let's say, I think that's around 96, maybe what I'm thinking. Yup. Damn, near half the battle was figuring out the chops. That's crazy. That was a sloppy choppy. Get that. running down on the high. We're gonna add that. That's gonna be that. And we're gonna add, we need drums, bro. We need drums. Oh, 30 seconds. Oh no. I wanted to do more with that beat. Oh, so mad. But it got chopped, son. It got chopped and it chopped. Oh, I wanted to do so much more with that beat. Ugh, so sloppy in some of those parts. If I had more time, I would tighten up that sample some more, because the snare that comes in is a snare that like overlaps the snares that I laid down on there. Also too, the drum pattern is trash. I would have added some more stuff to it, but oh, I mean, it ain't all that, but I mean, it's definitely a beat that somebody can get their rapidy raps over. Oh, don't you hate when you catch a groove? Hey, all that got chopped up. We're gonna try it next week. I think the problem is I'll be wasting too much doggone time on them chops. Them chops is kind of challenging this time around. Great suggestion, game. I really appreciate you suggesting that. Look, if you got any more that you want to see me chop up, look, every one of them ain't gonna be a success. Okay, but I'm gonna definitely do my best every time. Man, oh, I want another chance at this one. We might have to come back to this episode in the future as we get better on these, but thank you once again. For those of you that have any suggestions, go to the comments below. Add a suggestion for the future episode of Can It Be Chopped? Once again, this is Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com. Have a good one. Please subscribe to the channel below, Curtis King of CurtisKingBeats.com.